Hi and welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. I'm Susan Kennard and thank you for joining me. This is where I get to spend 5 minutes with you, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, depending on when the guides come in, and we get to tune up our energy. Now, this is a video that I do not monetize. So it would be really helpful for me if you could like and subscribe if you like this content and if you'd like to see more. What I'm trying to do is grow my channel so that I can help more people to actually remember who they are and to heal themselves. So what we're going to do today is we're going to bring the part of us which is called the higher self in. And we're going to have a listen. I'm going to take you through it. The guides will take you through it. And we're going to have a listen to what our higher self really wants us to know right now. Okay, so let's do this. Come into our heart space. Close your eyes. And we're just going to breathe for a few moments. So just breathe in consciously with your breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And we're going to do that 3 times. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And once again, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. On the next in-breath, I want you to breathe in through your nose and hold it for 3 seconds, and then breathe out for 3 seconds. And do that 3 times. Fantastic. And then I want you to draw your attention into your higher heart. So just imagine that you're connecting in with your higher heart, which is kind of just above your heart. So it might be where your necklace is, it might be where the hard bony bit of your chest is, but just know that that is where your sacred heart lies. This is the part of you that you can connect to at any time. So I want you just to bring and draw your attention into your sacred heart. Good. And I want you to connect down to your earth star. Just imagine a beautiful star under your feet, connecting you with beautiful silver cords from your feet. And then connecting to your soul star above your head. I want you to see a shower of light. The way the guides are giving it to me is a shower of sparkling light, almost like you're in a bubble of light. Okay, good. So now we're going to bring in our angels around us, just to have that beautiful angelic presence with us. So let's just invite them in. And let's really drop down now, into our higher heart. Let's drop down into our higher heart and just come into that space of peace. And I want you just to ask your higher self, what is it that I need to know right now? What is it that you're trying to communicate to me in my life? And just connecting with that for a few moments as we go into the silence. And so there is a beautiful tone coming here in from the angels. So just listen to this tone and it will help you, the saying, deepen your connection to your higher self. So take a deep breath. Just connecting with your heart. Thank your higher self for being present with you at all times, guiding you on your mission, guiding you on your journey here, being human. Thank yourself for being here, for taking that time for you. Much love and gratitude. And if you want to find out more about me and my work, pop over to susankennard.co.uk. Much love for now. See you soon.